Hi guys, thank you for joining us today, and today we will be checking out this computer case from Jonsbo, the Jonsbo Z20 Micro ATX computer chassis. Yep, this computer case is very compact. It can only support the Micro ATX motherboard, but it's also very high compatible because it can support even the biggest type of GPU out there in the market with this compatibility of 360 mm length for your GPU. This computer case is only about 13 inches in height, including the handle that you can attach on top, as well as the legs that you can attach at the bottom of this computer case. This case also has one side glass panel, so you can showcase all your components and all your RGB lighting inside your PC case. So why don't we go ahead and see what's inside and what we get inside the box of this Jonsbo Z20 Micro ATX computer chassis. So opening the box of this computer case, at the top we have our accessory kit. So we will see what is inside of this, and we have our PC case right over here. Let's see how we can pull this out safely, gently, out of the box. So it has some styrofoam padding on the sides, which is good to protect the case during transport. Okay, here we go. We remove this box onto the side for now. And here is our computer case. Let's remove the styro padding. And our cover. To reveal our computer case. So as you can see, this computer case is quite small, so it doesn't include any fans in it. So if you want to build on this case, we need to have all the fans. So it can support two fans at the bottom, two fans at the top, or an AIO cooler with a maximum of 240 mm in size, and one exhaust fan at the back side of the computer case itself. So as I mentioned, this one has a side glass panel, so we can showcase all our components and all our RGB lighting inside this case. And as well as, it can support up to 360 mm of your GPU length. So even the biggest GPU, I think we can support it right over here. So now let me show you what is inside the accessory kit for our Z20 Micro ATX computer chassis. So let's do a different angle of the shot so that you can see what is inside of this box. So for the accessory kit, what we can see inside is that we have our manual right over here. And if we can see in the middle, there is also a magnetic dust filter that we have here. And I think this one is for the back of the computer case. And we also have here a description of what is inside the box. So we have our SFX PSU bracket. If you are using SFX PSU in your build, we also have the graphics card support, especially if you are using the bigger sizes or the 3 fans GPU in this build. And we also have a 3.5-inch HDD mounting bracket if ever you want to use it. So this case supports actually one 3.5-inch HDD mounting bracket, but it still depends on the configuration that you are doing for your build. So if ever you have a bigger GPU, you may not be able to support a 3.5-inch HDD mounting bracket, so you need to take note of that. There's also dual 2.5-inch SSD hard disk drives in the build, but still, again, it will depend on your other components if that will fit. So as I mentioned earlier, there is the dust filter for the rear of the chassis and our handle for the top portion of our case in case we wanted to make it more portable. And here we have a look on all the components itself. And everything is made from metal, so it looks very well made. And we have all our other accessories here, zip ties and screws that we will need for our build. Okay, so that is what is in the box of the Jonsbo Z20 Micro ATX computer chassis. It is quite small and it's not very heavy, so I think portability wise this one will also be a good option if you want something portable, and maybe you can even fit something that you can use in your travels if you wanted to bring this over when you are traveling. So now, why don't I show you guys what it will look like once we have made a build inside this PC case. So now let's go ahead and do some game testing on this PC and see what this puppy can do.
Got it? I love singing music than do anything else. Except be a superhero.
I'm opening a portal. I have many places. I'm very feelings for my friends. Enjoy hell. The more the merrier.
I put the unk on ice.
Get in there.